Hey guys, so yesterday I was heading home and I saw this awesome Astondoa Century yacht park at Haulover Beach sandbar. So I decided to go and take a look at it. So here's some of the files that I was able to capture and also photos for my Instagram account. This is a Astondoa Century 110 built in Spain, and it's one of my favorite yachts here in Miami. I've seen both 110s and they are just amazing. There's another one that it's 100 and it's a newer boat, but this one really caught my eye and I had to stop and film. So I hope you like the footage, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There I will be posting all the yacht content from Miami that I see every week. So remember, I post daily, and if you like yachts, then this is the channel for you. Alright, so have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the small video, and more videos coming up pretty soon. Have a great day.